Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IPIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. I did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green and red line annotation are coming from. And overall, I mean, really the best way to just say it is everything is perfectly fine. And I don't want to laugh at people because I was new at one point. I had no idea what was going on, but you can always tell who really is just the chicken with their head cut off running around. They're freaking out, if you look on social media or the message boards and stuff like that, when they don't need to. And what do I mean by that? Well, unfortunately, prices can't go straight up. Prices they need to consolidate. They need to build higher bases. But that's exactly what's going on here. Is it pulled back? Sure, not a pleasant experience, but overall, I mean, look at where it's now going sideways. Ask yourself, where was the last time it went sideways? Down here. Where was the last time it went sideways before that? Down here. And I'm not trying to insult your intelligence, but do you notice a theme here with each of these? Well, each of these sideways movements keeps getting higher and higher, right? Or in other words, the consolidations are getting higher and higher, and that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. So yeah, I get it. If you bought up there, then and you can always tell who did because they're freaking out and they're acting like it's the end of the world. But I mean, just for taking a step back, taking a breath, from a big picture trend perspective, everything is perfectly fine. Now, of course, that's always subject to change. I mean, if on Monday the price goes sideways and then just crashes to the downside, okay, that's a much different story. But that hasn't happened. Right now, all the price is doing is going through a nice little consolidation. And in fact, the last 30 minutes of the day right there, and I guess now that I think about it, it's Friday, so the last 30 minutes of the week, nice candle right there on some nice respectable volume. But overall, the moral of the story here is everything is okay. Everything's perfectly fine. I mean, it bounced beautifully right off that level I talked about previously at 37 cents. You still have that next level up there at 55 cents as resistance levels. But all in all it did today was consolidate. And as long as the prices build those higher lows over extended periods of time, which it's been doing so far, that's exactly what you want to see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.